We're still middle betting, but we're just doing the 3 middle bets. My game, I make the rules. Right? Right. Come on, come on.
It's the trigger.
I got both. I got both. I got both. Yes, yes, yes.
Welcome to the Epic Slot channel, presenting BDSlots Wheel of Winners. By watching today's video, you have a chance to get on the Wheel of Winners. All you need to do is listen for the Wheel of Winners question, hit that thumbs up button, and leave your answer in the comments section of this video. If you do all that, you'll receive a red heart on your comment, and that means you're officially on the wheel. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
What is up, everybody? We are here for another edition of Mid-Bet Madness. And I am here on Arctic Express. We have not played this here at Thistledown since it was put in, and I'm pretty sure that the Grand has not hit since it was put in, which is pretty rare for new games when they are installed. So that's what we're working with up top. The trains are pretty small, relatively speaking, and they don't change no matter what so I just ran through different denoms there. So we're gonna start off here on penny denom, and on penny denom it goes from 75 cents up to $7.50. The middle bet is $2.25. We're starting off with $135 total. Let's see what trouble we get into. Let's go. We got bears, we got owls. This could be awesome, adorable animals, but it's not. Because I think those are the only animals, if I'm not mistaken, so it's not enough. Oh, the bears couldn't connect. Darn it. Come on, trains. Ooh, random feature.
Here comes something special.
Come on.
All aboard.
We got the red train. All right, so let me zoom out a little bit here. All right, let's go, red train. Let's go.
Full steam ahead.
Full steam ahead. Let's go. We already unlocked a row. Let's go. All right. Fill her up, Buttercup. Oh, we gotta land something. We gotta land something. Come on. Come on. There we go. We saved it. Yeah, buddy. 3 more to unlock that next row up there. I'm getting better with this whole pointing thing. I know what I'm doing here. Total professional. Ooh. There we go.
That
Choo-choo.
red train's running hot.
Yeah, it is. All right, let's go.
Red train's ready to light it up.
Come on, come on. Oh, we gotta land something. Save it. One more, one more. One. Anything. Oh, we couldn't save it. Hashtag ammo bonus.
That's some fine railroading, partner.
What he said. So the tickets increase the size of the train. They move them closer, but you know. Let's go. Come on. So according to what the screen says, any ticket could trigger it. Oh, random feature again. Oh. So all that did that time, that randomness gave us wild. So, okay. Let's go trains.
Do you get this at the end or no? Oh, last time they come, it's a different one. I don't know what it's doing.
I'd like to get all 3 trains. I don't remember if BD and I got that the first time we played this. We've only played this once, so I can't really say. I don't know. We need more of these wilds. Let's go. Roar, bears, roar. Oh, oh. Come on. Oh, see, the blue just got closer to me. So, all that play, and we're only down to 100. So, you know what? If we go to 2 cents, the middle bet would be 450. So, let's just do a little bit there. A little bit. We'll see how it does. Come on. Even getting 2 trains would be pretty awesome. Just saying. Doing 450 bets makes the money go down real fast. I don't like that. Maybe just a couple more. And one more. Yeah, the line hits on this not so great. We'll go back to the 1 cent, 225. There we go. Ah, randomness.
Oh, here comes something special.
The wilds. And that blue train got even closer. Come on. Ah. Come on, red train. Come on. Red train got closer. Green. Now they're all closer to me. Couldn't connect. Damn it. Come on. Oh, come on. Maybe a fast stop? One more? Connected the bells, but that's about it. No more of that. Oh, it's down to $50. Oh, come on, trains. Let's ride that train. Come on. All right. So still doing middle bets. Let's alternate between the 3 middle bets. So 150, 225, 375. So we're still middle betting, but we're just doing the 3 middle bets. My game, I make the rules. Right. Come on.
It's the trigger.
2. I got both. Yes. All right, so we're starting off with 1 freeze ride up there. So let's go.
Keep that throttle open.
Yeah. What he said. Come on. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Come on. Fill her up, fill her up, fill her up. Make my millennium. Name that movie. Ah. Oh, shoot. Come on. All right, you know what? Before I spin any more, Wheel of Winter question. Have you ever been on a train ride? Have you ever been on, and that means any train. I'm talking, you know, amusement park. Have you ever been on a long train ride, overnight train ride, cross-country train ride, anything at all? I can tell you, I myself, I've been on a few different train rides. I can tell you, BD and I, here locally, we have the Cuyahoga County, or Cuyahoga Scenic Railroad, which it's a couple of hours. It goes through like a little scenic pathway down. There's a couple of stops. You could opt and have a meal if you wanted to. I've also, in Europe, I've done the Channel, which goes from France to Spain, I think. I could be mistaken, but I think that that's the route that we took. But anyways, let me know in the comments if you've taken one. Where did you go? Even if it was in an amusement park, where was it? So there you go. Answer in the comments. Let me know your thoughts, and let's see what other trouble we get into in this bonus. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Uh-oh. Now we gotta save it, save it, save it, save it, save it. Save it, save it. Uh-oh. Yeah, we got that freeze.
Don't you stop yet.
All right, now we gotta save it. We had that one freeze ride. Save it. Come on, come on. Dang it. Oh, sorry guys. I didn't realize that the tripod was on the chair. Oopsie.
You got your ticket to win.
Got the ticket to win. But with only $29, that's just an ammo bonus. Let's keep it going. Let's get that green train. I would take the blue train again. Come on, come on. All right, let's do more of this middle betting. 150, 225. Green? 375. Come on. No. Oh, come on. I was really hoping that the 2 train bonus would be better than what it was. It was a little disappointing, to be honest. I'm sad to say. Oh, come on, come on. Nope. Danger zone. They are in danger. Oh, couldn't line up the bears like once again. Dang it. I don't know if this game has a final spin option. Does it? Does it? It does. Wager saver. It said I was a winner. Well, guys, I went through my monies, but I did hit 2 bonuses. So, have you played this? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to answer that question in the comments. Thanks for watching and be safe. Thanks so much for watching. Well, make sure to like, subscribe, answer all parts of that Wheel of Winter question in the comments. But if you didn't like what you saw, remember that this is Majestic Slots.